Everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for being here today to learn about Instagram and Facebook marketing. Good evening, sir. Hi, hello, good evening. We are going to wait in a couple of minutes for some people to come in because we have approximately 55 registrations for today. So I am going to wait in for some time to see if more people can join in. Awesome. I guess we waited long for people to join in, and it's going to be bad if I keep you all hanging who've been here since the start. So thank you so much for coming in. This is going to be a masterclass on Instagram and Facebook marketing. Before we begin, I have a couple of questions from each one of you, and I would to love if you could answer that in the chat box. How many hours do you spend on Instagram or on Facebook on a particular day? कितने घंटे आप Facebook या Instagram को देते हो अपने एक दिन में? 3 to 4 hours, 1 hour, okay? 3 to 4. 1, okay? 1 hour. Half an hour to 1 hour, okay? That's amazing. Sometimes only 15 to 20 minutes. Wow. Wow, that is some amazing level of self-control. That's amazing. Okay. And out of that 1 hour or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, how many hours or how many minutes do you spend on your brand or on your company out of the time you spend on Facebook and Instagram? उसमें से कितना टाइम आप अपने ब्रांड और अपने कंपनी पे लगाते हो बाकियों का ब्रांड, बाकियों की रील्स, बाकियों का देखने के अलावा? 0 minutes, okay? No time. Okay. 0. Never published ads. You don't need ads to spend time on your brand on Facebook and Instagram. You don't need ads. 0. Okay. Very little. Okay. And usme se, how many hours do you spend on your audience? If I'm saying 0 on a brand, I don't think कोई audience पे time भी लगाता है. कोई है जो अपने audience के लिए Facebook और Instagram पे time देता है? You can give your audience time by just coming live on Facebook or live on Instagram or doing a AMA questionnaire round. You can give your audience time. Do you do that? How many of you do that? Polls rakhna stories mein ya AMAs karna or coming live to help them about something. Sometimes, okay? Nil, okay. Don't you think it's important to spend some time on our brand and on our audience? When today social media is everything. आज हमारा search engine has shifted from Google to YouTube. We want to know about something, हम पहले YouTube करते हैं. How to do this? I'll give you a live example of my brother. He wanted to once fix a TV stand. He didn't go onto Google. How to fix a TV stand? On YouTube. What is color psychology? On YouTube. So when that entire shift has taken place from Google to our social media platforms, shouldn't we spend time even if 10 minutes, even if 5 minutes on our brand, on our audience, that at the end of the day is going to generate revenue for us. हमारे brand ने, हमारी audience ने, हमारे products को खरीदना है, and that is how we are going to get money generation. And if that is the case, अगर हम फिर भी अपनी audience को time नहीं दे रहे हैं, अपने brand को time नहीं दे रहे हैं, how are we going to generate that revenue? How is the world going to see कि हम क्या बेच रहे हैं? We should, but you don't have any idea to start, and that is exactly what we're going to do today. How you could spend time on your brand, how you could spend time on your audience. And do any of you know कि आपकी audience कौन है? आपको पता है मेरी audience कौन है? कौन मेरा product खरीदेगा? या कौन मेरा concept खरीदेगा? You know your audience. Do you know आपकी audience कौन सी social media profile use करेगी? क्या मेरी audience ज़्यादा Google use करेगी, Google Plus या Facebook use करेगी या Instagram use करेगी या Pinterest use करेगी? You're very clear in that. Excellent if you're very clear in that. Then we have to put that into use. अगर हमें अपनी audience बहुत अच्छे से पता है, we know what social media platform they're going to use, then we have our boxes cleared to spend our time on that social media platforms. You're not clear about your audience. It's okay. We will be doing a customer avatar right now. Before I move into the masterclass, a little bit about myself. I'm Rajvi this side, and I'm a studentpreneur with my company of Croppers. Croppers is a social media marketing agency and a graphic designer. So हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोगों के पास जाते हैं, organizations के पास, individuals के पास, which we see कि हाँ यार, they're doing great business, but they need help with social media. They need help with graphic designing. They need someone to just take their amazing content, design it for the social media, and upload it for the social media for their targeted audience. That is what I do. That is what my company does. And now we have moved into low-cost trainings for individuals, for students who want to learn social media marketing and graphic designing. Graphic designing and social media marketing wasn't something I was really keen into. I was someone who was like, psychology it is. I wanted to follow my mother, become a businesswoman and do psychology because she's a child psychologist. So मेरे लिए psychology बहुत बड़ी चीज थी. I always thought कि यार laptop is a waste of time. Computer is a waste of time. Sitting on the laptop is, it's going to get me nothing at the end of the day. But all thanks to the pandemic and me coming back from London, I realized that this is it. This is what the world needs. No one is going to ask me 10 years down the line कि यार आपने 12वीं में कितने results पाए थे? या आपकी कौन सी university में what subject you studied and how many grades you got out of that? They are going to ask me of my practical life. They're going to ask me, what have you done in life? And that is exactly what I'm doing in life with Croppers. I'm going into people and I'm studying them psychologically as well. Because if I have to know their audience, अगर मुझे आपकी audience जाननी है, मुझे आपको समझना पड़ेगा. How can I say कि आपकी audience कौन है जब तक मैं आपको नहीं जानूंगी? अगर मेरे आगे 10 trainers खड़े हैं, all of the same field, each of them will have a different audience. Why? Because each of them will have a different way of training their audience. What person 1 is giving, person 10 will not give. So to understand their audience, I have to understand them. And that's where my psychology kicks in. So I'm trying to blend my psychology, my interest for psychology and my newborn interest for social media marketing and graphic designing into my agency and into such masterclasses like the one we're doing today. I asked a lot of you about your customer. How many of you know your customer? Some of you did say कि yeah, हम जानते हैं हमारा customer कैसा है. But a lot of you did not know what a customer looks like. Your customer has 4 parts to it. उसके demographics, what's his age, what gender is he, कहाँ रहता है वो, कितना कमाता है वो. Then his characteristics, उसके इंटरेस्ट्स क्या है, उसके हॉबीज क्या है, उसके इन्फ्लुएंसेस क्या है, his pain points. What are the problems is he facing? What solutions is he looking for? क्या उसको जिंदगी में प्रॉब्लम है जो मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ? आप डॉक्टर हो, आप अपनी फील्ड के डॉक्टर हो, आप अपने पेशेंट को कैसे दवाई दे सकते हो? क्या उसके पास प्रॉब्लम है? अगर उसके पास पेट दर्द की प्रॉब्लम है, आप सिर दर्द की दवाई नहीं दोगे. So you have to look at what problem is he facing, what challenges is he facing. Is it the money that is an issue? Is it the family that is being an issue? All of it. And at the end of the day, gain. What does he want to gain out of you? क्या चाहता है वो आपसे? क्या वो सिर्फ आपसे सीखना चाहता है 2 घंटे के लिए? Okay, fine, done. या क्या वो आपसे सीख कर कुछ करना चाहता है जिंदगी में? वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. When all of these 4 things come together, that is when your character, your customer is in place. You know what your customer looks like. You know what his interests are. You know what his pains are. You know what the result he's waiting for. फिर कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आएगी? क्योंकि आपके पास मटेरियल है, आपको देना है. आपको बस यही तो जानना है कि मेरा कस्टमर किस वे में चाहता है. कोई कस्टमर आपसे एक बुक के फॉर्म में चाहेगा, कोई कस्टमर आपसे एक पॉडकास्ट के फॉर्म में चाहेगा, कोई कस्टमर आपसे एक 1-to-1 क्लास में चाहेगा, और कोई चाहेगा मुझे रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस दे दो. And how will you know what your customer wants until and unless you know the customer avatar for your product or for your concept? This is the best way you can make your customer avatar. If I take myself an example, if I say that, okay, I'm going out there selling my social media marketing agency. What is going to be the age of my client? He's going to be between 25 to 40 or 45 maximum. Gender can be both. Location. I would rather say कि वो रहता है metro cities में. Because metro cities वालों को पता है कि मुझे social media पे जाना है. Small cities are still struggling to know that. So my targeted audience will more preferably be in metro cities. So that's the demographic of my audience. Now characteristics. उसके क्या interest points होंगे? अगर वो social media marketing चाहता है, तो of course he would have interest in social media. Of course he would have interests in phones or laptops or iPads or tabs, whatever. But he would have interest in all of this. तभी तो वो social media marketing चाह रहा है. He would want to become a brand. That brand idealization would be there in his head. मुझे brand बनना है. I don't know how. I want to be the next social media star. How? I don't know. Do you have the content? Yes, I have the content. So I just have to get my content out there. He might be, I'll put that shy in his pain points because that'll be his pain. But his hobbies could be, scrolling Instagram or scrolling social media and stalking people. तभी तो उससे आएगा कि यार मुझे भी social media पे जाना है. For someone who doesn't know social media, for someone who hasn't seen the world of social media, how can he say कि I want to be one person on social media? So these might be his daily interests. What might be his influences? His influences might be the Bollywood industry because that's on social media 24/7. His influences would be the, let's say his influences are Abhi Arya. Let's just say his influences are Abhi Arya because he's on social media and he's doing wonders with social media. So that is his influence. It's his interest to be on social media. It's his hobbies to play on phones. When all of this is going to get combined together, जब मैं अपनी ad लगाने वाली हूँ, I'll make sure I put all of this in my ad. ताकि my ad is very targeted to the person I want to approach. And it does not go out, it does not leak. My funnel does not have a leak anywhere to any random person. Now, his pain points. He might be a shy person because he hasn't come on social media yet. So he might be shy. Or he's not creative. because he doesn't know how to design for social media. So he's not creative. His concerns would be, will I get threatened on social media? So the whole ideology of, threat comments coming in, you're getting bullied on social media, trolls coming in. So trolling might be one of the concerns or challenges he's facing. And he does not, or the other challenge he could face is he does not know it. He's not able to understand the market. उसने देखा है, उसे वहां पहुंचना है, but उसे पता नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. So he might not know social media market. That might be his challenges, his concerns. What results is he expecting out of me? He wants his community to grow. How is that community going to grow? जब आप डेली सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ कंटेंट डाल रहे हो, जब आप कुछ हर रोज डाल रहे हो, 10 लोग उसे देख रहे हैं, आज 10 देखेंगे, कल 100 देखेंगे, परसों 1000 देखेंगे, उनमें से 5% भी आपके पास आ गए, वो आपकी कम्युनिटी में बन गए हैं. So he wants community growth, right? He wants to become a brand. So he wants that कि मेरा जो मैं बेच रहा हूँ वो फेमस हो जाऊं, right? And at the last, of course, he wants his product to sell. That's at the end of the day, that's what everyone wants, कि मेरा product बिके. Why would anyone come on social media? Why would anyone want to put ads on social media? Because they want to sell something. But can you sell something to a stranger? No. आपको अपनी community बनानी है, आपको अपना network बनाना है. जब तक आपका network नहीं है, how can you sell something to anyone? How many of you believe in this? कि we need a network to sell. If I were here to call people for a paid program, I would have to make a network. मुझे कहीं फ्री प्रोग्राम देना पड़ेगा, मुझे कहीं पे कंटेंट देना पड़ेगा, तभी तो लोग मेरे कम्युनिटी में आके मेरे पेड प्रोग्राम्स में आएंगे. How can I expect anyone to come into my paid programs? That network building is very important. Do you believe in network building? If you believe in network building, can I please have an NB in the chat box? Network building. Indeed, network building is very, very important. Thank you so much for agreeing to it. It is super important to have your own network. Until unless you have a network, there's a leakage in the funnel. Your funnel isn't correct then. You got to pull people in the correct form. And to pull people in the correct form, you need a good network. Thank you so much, everyone, for agreeing to the network building part. Thank you. Moving ahead, I did ask this question that not every platform is for every business. You have to know your social media platforms. Let's say I was selling something artistic. Mera product art canvases hote, right? I wouldn't go on and sell it on YouTube. No, I would rather pick Pinterest. Pinterest would be my first spot to go to. Art बेचना है, Pinterest पे जाओ. लेकिन अगर मुझे कोई if I want to sell, let's say, a masterclass or webinar, I would rather go on to LinkedIn. I would go on to Facebook. I know where more population is. If I have to sell a high ticket program, I would target LinkedIn. If I have to sell a low ticket program, I would target Instagram. If I have to sell something fun, yet interesting and learning, I would target Instagram. Your product changes wherever you post on social media. You cannot expect to sell, let's say if you want to sell, you're a car manufacturer, you want to sell cars. Can you go and do that on Pinterest? Can you sell cars on Pinterest? No, you cannot. Your market audience is going to be different. Everything is going to be different. You cannot pick up Pinterest to sell your cars. But if you are someone who's selling, let's say, bracelets, and if you're selling chains all made at home, you can target Instagram for that. There are so many small businesses on Instagram. And Instagram is a great hub to provide that first push to you for your business. So each business, each brand needs a different social media platform. Not every social media platform is for every business. And in today's masterclass, we'll be focusing on Facebook and Instagram in detail. We'll be looking at how to put paid ads, and we'll be looking at how to also do organic marketing on both of these platforms. How many of you have a Facebook page and an Instagram page? Can I please have a F for Facebook and I for Instagram if you have a Facebook page, not profile, page, and an Instagram account? In the chat box, please. Okay, you have FB and Insta, both, only FB, okay, both. As per your experience, which page is giving you more results? Is the Facebook page giving you more results, or is the Instagram account giving you more results? आप कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज्यादा अपनी ऑडियंस टैप इन कर पा रहे हो? इंस्टाग्राम पे या फेसबुक पे? इंस्टाग्राम, ओके। ओके, इंस्टाग्राम, Instagram. Why do you think you are able to target more people on Instagram? Instagram is a hub to so many businesses. It is that free booster in your life. इसको use कर लो, business hit है. The reach of Instagram is massive. Try this if anyone is trying to put paid ads. 400 रुपए की ad Facebook पे लगाना और 400 रुपए की ad Instagram पे लगाना. Instagram उसे 20,000 लोगों तक पहुंचाएगा, Facebook उसे 8,000 लोगों तक पहुंचाएगा और आपको leads देगा 10 से 12. And Instagram is going to give you at least 50 leads. And how do you know that 50 leads have come in? 50 people would have actually liked your post or messaged you on personal. Some people just like the post and leave it. And this is what I do then. जिसने मेरी post like करी है जहाँ पे मेरी paid ad लगी हुई है, I go message them. Thank you so much for liking our post. Would you like to learn more about my masterclass? कुछ लोग होते हैं जो reply करते हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं नहीं मैम हम तो ऑलरेडी ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग कर रहे हैं या तो हम ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग. So the person who has actually not even messaged you directly कि मुझे आपकी मास्टर क्लास करनी है, उसने लाइक करके छोड़ दिया, पर आपने उसे भी टैप इन करा फिर, because you know ना आपकी पोस्ट किस किसने लाइक करी है. You can go tap in them. And is Instagram charging you more money for tapping them? No, it's not. So you're organically trying to again reach, double your reach with the paid ad that is already running. For Facebook, we have more than 2 billion users actively present. And the Facebook page is the face of your brand or of your business. So, जिसको भी अगर मुझे किसी कंपनी के बारे में पढ़ना है, मैं फेसबुक पेज पे जाऊंगी, प्रोफाइल पे नहीं जाऊंगी. फेसबुक पेज इज द ऑडियंस पुल फैक्टर. वहां पर आपकी सारी ऑडियंस आती है, वहां पर दे कैन सी योर वर्क बिकॉज देयर आर ऑप्शंस लाइक call right now or message them. All of these options are present only on a Facebook page. It's a much friendly business platform than Facebook profile is. Now, when we are putting our content on Facebook or on any social media platform, social media platforms look for unique, creative, and innovative content. आपका content कैसे अलग है? Canva सिखाने वाले 10,000 बैठे हैं, आप क्या अलग सिखा रहे हो? या आप चलो वही सिखा रहे हो, बट क्या आप किस तरीके से अपना content present कर रहे हो? If you present your content, if you present what you are teaching in the same way as those 10,000 people, how is anyone going to come and approach you? How are you unique? That uniqueness has to come. That creativity has to come. आपकी हर पोस्ट को, आपके हर डिजाइन को देखकर लगना चाहिए यार this person has spent time on this design, or this design is eye catching. People should feel that. Your content should be innovative. It should be something out of the box, something different. Because once you put in your content, the more content you're putting, the more relations you're building. And the more relations that are getting built, your network is increasing. When your network is increasing, you're able to sell your product. Let us take this a very good example of Patanjali. I was doing a one-on-one class the other day and someone said कि मैम पतंजलि के products इतने महंगे क्यों बिकते हैं? They shouldn't be that costly. वो वही बेच रहा है जो कोई आम आदमी भी बेच देगा. But he would sell it for like 10x more price. Why is that so? Because पहले उसने अपना content दिखाया दुनिया को. He sold it for cheap prices. Okay? He built that relation. He built his network. And now he doesn't have to advertise his products. अब दुनिया उसका प्रोडक्ट खरीदने आ रही है. तो अब वो अपना प्रोडक्ट 5x करके बेचे या 10x करके बेचे या 50x करके बेचे. That's totally up to him. But he has now that network of people, that relation of people who are just going to come in and buy his product no matter what. वो उसका प्रोडक्ट खरीदने आएंगे. चाहे वो 10,000 का बेचे, चाहे वो 100 रुपए का बेचे, चाहे वो 10 का बेचे. क्योंकि उसने वो एक नेटवर्क बना लिया. That network is very, very important. So that you are not the one to sell your product, but your audience comes in looking for your product. Your people should come in and say, I want your product. मैं आपका product चाहता हूँ. जो आप बेच रहे हो वो बहुत अच्छा है, वो मुझे चाहिए. People should wait for your product to come into the market. That is what we have to do. Is everyone clear up till this part? Facebook marketing and how we have to pull in more people. Any doubts till this part for anyone? In the chat box, please, if we have any questions from anyone. No questions? Okay, perfecto. We will now move on to making a Facebook page and making our ads on Facebook. So this is my Facebook account. This is my Facebook profile. And over here, these are the pages that I can manage. These are the pages I have the right to as manager, as editor, as administrator. ये मेरे pages. Few things to keep in mind. अगर हमें अपना page live करना है तो, our page needs to have 25 likes. वो 25 like बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक we won't have 25 likes, हमारा page live नहीं होगा Facebook पे. So we can all keep thinking कि मेरे पेज पे लाइक क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, कमेंट क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे वही दो तीन लोग क्यों लाइक कर रहे हैं. इट इज बिकॉज फेसबुक पेज आपका तब लाइव होगा जब आपके पास 25 लाइक्स होंगे आपके पेज पर. Those 25 likes are very, very important. Now, how do we create a new page? Just go on to create a new page and give a name to your page. Whichever field you want to make it from, give it a name. Let us say if you're looking at a page for digital marketing. So that is my page name. Category. I have to pick up category from Facebook categories. I can choose 3 for my page. कोई 3 choose कर सकती हूँ मैं अपने page के लिए. Let us say I put digital. Doesn't have digital marketing. Okay, digital creator. Social media agency. And graphic designer. So these 3 are categories जो मैंने Facebook से choose करी है अपने page के लिए. ताकि अगर कोई भी इंसान he looks for social media agency, my page comes over there because that is one of the categories I've put my page into. अगर कोई graphic designer search करता है मेरा page वहां पर जाएगा. Even though मेरे page का नाम digital marketing है, फिर भी जाएगा because मेरा category graphic designer का. So those 3 categories you have to choose for yourself कि कौन से 3 categories मेरे niche को, मेरे business को, मेरे brand को सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे से समझाते हैं, that relate the best to my brand. Next is the description you will write. In the description, your description should be very, very short and it should be eye-catching. एक लाइन में सब कुछ कहना और या 2 लाइन, ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं करना, because no one's going to sit there read an essay about your page. वो ये चाहेंगे कि आप 2 लाइन में सब कुछ समझा दो, आप 2 लाइन में अपने पेज पर करते क्या, या आपके पेज पे उन्हें आके क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा. 2 lines. Let us say I just say I help entrepreneurs and trainers with business growth through social media marketing and graphic designing. So people know my message, they know कि मैं क्या करती हूँ. सिर्फ एक लाइन में उनको मैंने ऐसे नहीं लिख के दिया कि मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को ये करती हूँ, ट्रेनर्स को ऐसे करती हूँ, मैं ऐसे ऑडियंस पुल इन करती हूँ, मैं नेटवर्क्स बनाती हूँ, फिर आपको ऑर्गेनिक लीड्स आती है. नहीं, सिंपल में 2 लाइन में कीवर्ड्स डालो एंड थिंक अबाउट योर ऑडियंस. अपने आप को ऑडियंस के स्पॉट पे रखकर देखो कि अगर आप किसी का कुछ मार्केट में देखने चाहते हो, और इफ यू स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू समवन्स फीड और समवन्स पेज, you want information in short form. You don't want people to give you information in long essays. You want short to the point information. And that is exactly what you have to give in this description. Short to the point information. Right? And then you just have to create the page. Once your description is out, once your category is out, and your name is out, your page is created. Now you have to edit on its cover photo, on its profile photo, on its username. Now cover photo, it's this, your profile photo, sorry, it's this circle photo. Your profile photo should originally be either your logo or your photo. If you are the brand, it should be one of these two. Because ये बहुत छोटी सी होने वाली है. It's going to be in circle form. We have to see what fits in circle form. सारा information circle में नहीं fit होता. तो कुछ जो circle में fit हो, जो बिल्कुल clear लोगों को दिखे, वो डालो. Then your cover photo, it's this horizontal photo. Again, it should have 2 to 3 keywords, आपका logo और आपका phone number. कीवर्ड्स डालो अपने बिजनेस के बारे में, आपका लोगो डालो एक साइड पे और अपना फोन नंबर डालो या मेल आईडी डालो. हाउ कैन पीपल कनेक्ट टू यू? बिकॉज कवर फोटो इज व्हाट वी कैन सी ऑन अ फोन. इफ यू सी, वी कैन सी कवर फोटो सबसे पहले. तो अगर लोगों को आपके कवर फोटो में ही आपके बारे में सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा, दे विल नॉट स्क्रॉल डाउन टुवर्ड्स द अबाउट पेज. तो ऐसा करना है कि हमारे कवर फोटो में पूरी स्टोरी पता चल जाए. But in keywords, again, पूरा भरना नहीं है. Let's just say I could write social media agency, right? And अपना नीचे phone number दे दिया, mail ID दे दी. And if I want to pull in clients, what can I write? 50% off or discounts available. Human psychology, Dixon, ये discount दे रहा है, इसका सस्ता होगा, इसके पास जाओ. Even though चाहे मैं सस्ते में I charge them 10,000. What will they say? कि यार मेरे को तो डिस्काउंट में मिला है. Psychology is being played over there. So as a seller, you have to know the psychology of your audience. And how will you know that? Just add words like discounts available or 50% off. Yeah, first come, first serve. People who first 30 people get 80% off or 70% off. I want to be one of those first 30 people. That just kicks into your head कि मुझे 30 में से बनना है. क्या पता that 30 has been on screen since forever. But because आपने वो 30 mention कर दिया, people will have a scarcity वाला thing कि यार ये तो जल्दी खत्म होने वाला है, मुझे अभी approach करना चाहिए. And when that thing comes into your head, there are more conversion rates coming in. Right, and the next is our username. When you put in your profile photo and when you put in your, let's just say I'm putting in, let's say I put this one as of now. It's not a perfect profile photo because I don't have one at the moment, but that's a profile photo and cover photo is horizontal. It's not a vertical photo. Let's just say I put this one. I can then drag it. कहाँ मुझे नीचे दिखाना है, ऊपर दिखाना है. I can set that to my screen. But this part that I'm showing to the screen should have my message. जो भी मैं बताना चाह रही हूँ, जो भी मैं करती हूँ, and then just save it. सबसे पहले Facebook का आएगा, अपना WhatsApp number डालो. If you want to put in your ads, don't put WhatsApp number. Because फिर क्या होता है, आपके पास lead generation नहीं आती. No matter how much money you spend, lead generation stop. या वो reduce हो जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. Again and again, Facebook will tell you WhatsApp number डालो, your page is missing the WhatsApp number, मत डालना. What usually they do is, अगर आप WhatsApp number डाल देते हो, they divert the messages जो messenger आता है Facebook का, वो divert कर देते हैं आपके WhatsApp पर. So people are not comfortable sharing their WhatsApp number so easily, तो वो फिर आपको message नहीं करते. तो आपका funnel leak हो जाता है, and your audience that can become your client is now gone away just because आपने WhatsApp number डाल दिया. So put your WhatsApp number on a flyer कि आप मुझे WhatsApp कर सकते हो, but वो button की तरह मत डालो. Then you have to create yourself a username. This username is exactly like the same way as Instagram username. You don't get it so easily. You have to find the perfect one. इसीलिए the best is always putting your brand's name. Because not everyone will have the same brand's name as you, right? So put your brand's name. Let's say I put Croppers isn't available. Let's say I put Croppers 1 to 3. Facebook will keep sitting with you for like good 5 minutes, 10 minutes to just create that perfect username. इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलता. Because usernames are already given out to people. So you have to find that. See, Croppers 1 to 3 is not available. So I have to keep finding that perfect username that is available for my account. And once that is made, so this username is going to be what जिससे लोग मुझे ढूंढेंगे. Right. We have buttons over here. We can add buttons like follow. क्या follow button डाल दो, लोग वहीं से आपको follow कर दे. Yeah, if you are giving out gift cards, so you can put in the gift card one. Call now, book now, contact us. All of these are the buttons you can add on your website, on your, Facebook page right away. Send message, sign up. These are all buttons. It's a one-click shot for people that come onto your page. उन्हें कुछ नहीं करना, इस button पे click करना, and their thing will be done. So think about मेरा business कैसा है, मेरे business में कौन सा मुझे button डालना होगा, क्या call now डालना होगा, या contact us डालना होगा, क्या डालना होगा. Perfect. Now I will show you, this is a brand new page made. When we have an older page, let's say this one, this Rajvi Talks is an older page. It's already been running. Yes, you can add multiple buttons on Facebook. So my username is @Rajvi Talks. Anyone that searches @Rajvi Talks is going to get my page. That is my username that I've given to Facebook. तो अब ये मेरा हो चुका है. ये सिर्फ मेरे पेज को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. ये राजवी टॉक्स 1000 पेजेस को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है. That's a page name. So many people can have the same name, but this username is only and only mine. It's not someone else's. That person's username on a Facebook page. Now the types of ads we have on Facebook. Facebook gives us the option of get more leads, boost a post. Boost a post is like जैसे आपने एक post डाली, आप चाहते हो इस post पे ज़्यादा likes आ जाए या ज़्यादा comments आ जाए, तो फिर आप boost a post करो. Boost a post is usually used जब a lot of contests are held. That जिसकी post पे सबसे ज़्यादा like या comment आया, that will be the winner. That is when boost a post is majorly used, because you're not getting anything out of boost a post. सिर्फ आपको likes और comments आ रहे हैं. You're not getting your customer information. You're not getting कि किसने आपकी post देखी. You're not getting any information. So how are you going to contact the people back जिसने आपकी post पे like किया, जिसने आपकी post पे comment किया, except उनका like comment का notification के अलावा. They might have liked or commented for some XYZ reason you don't know. So booster post is only for increasing the number of likes and comments on a particular post available. Boost an Instagram post, it's the same as Facebook post. Get more messages. It's basically used when you want people to start messaging you looking at one particular post. Get more messages works the best on Instagram, not on Facebook. It doesn't work good on Facebook because people don't want to message you directly on Facebook. They don't feel Facebook that safe कि वो direct आपको message कर दें. तो उसमें आपका again lead generation कम हो जाता है. And जब आपके पास messaging का option आता है ना, there are half the people that will just message you randomly. Hi, how are you? Hello, what are you doing? Where do you stay? Have you taken your lunch? You start getting those type of messages. अब उसमें क्या हुआ? आपको message आ गया. Facebook doesn't know what kind of message has come. So Facebook has charged you 20 rupees for that message. Because Facebook is going to charge you per message, right? So he's charged you 20 rupees. Let's say your average you've put in is 80 rupees a day. Bacha kitna? 60? Your 20 rupees has been wasted in a random message that has given you zero value. So again, get more messages does not work well on Facebook. Promote your page. It's when you want कि आपके page पे ज़्यादा likes आए, ज़्यादा comments आए. It's the same as booster post. You're just promoting the page. और आपके page में तो 10,000 चीजें हो सकती है. Might be you have an old masterclass का post, you might have an किसी और के brand का post, because yes, you do collaboration posts. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So again, this will not get you the leads you're looking for your particular webinar, your particular masterclass. Get more calls, the same as get more messages. People will randomly call you. They can just call you, click on the call button, and they have connected to you. In get more messages and get more calls, you get less serious people approaching you. Because it is too easy for people. कि यार बस एक message ही तो भेजना है, call ही तो करनी है. So the saturation of interested people to non-interested people increases. Get more website visitors. When you want to boost your website, when you say कि यार मेरी website पे मेरा content अच्छा है, I want people to go see that. That's when you put get more website visitors. The best for Facebook marketing is get more leads. All of these have the same method of putting an ad. All of them have the same method. So we'll be looking at get more leads method because this is the best method you can do on a Facebook ad to get leads that are interested for your business or for your promoting event. We have to first create a form. It's a form based ad. मुझे एक form create करना है. उसमें I can ask in what all questions I want to know from my audience. Let's say I want their phone number, I want their email, I want their full name. That is it. मुझे उनका address, उनका gender ये सब नहीं चाहिए. You can add questions according to your personal wishes. Well, let's just say I add, do you know designing? That's a question I have added. So now my form will have that question. Do you know designing? Right? Privacy policy. Facebook usually wants you to put a privacy policy when you're putting an ad. It's just to keep their platform safe, ताकि Facebook bots जब आपकी ad देखें, so they feel that it's a genuine ad, and you're not trying to earn money, with things that are not related to your business. That is why they usually ask you to put a privacy policy. You all might have a privacy policy for yourself, or if you do not have one, create one, just for putting your ads, ताकि कभी भी आपका account, आपका page भी वो block ना करे. Because it tends to ask you sometimes to put in your privacy policy, because they want to keep the genuineness of Facebook pages alive. आजकल हर बंदा Facebook पे आ चुका है. They're selling things that are not even related to their business. So to keep that saturation, we get genuine people in. We have genuine audience on Facebook. They've added this privacy policy feature. Right. So we give that privacy policy and we just do next. Now we have to set in what all photos I want that should reach to my audience. This is the photo I want. Okay. What's the headline of it? Let's say I say the headline is learn social media marketing. So that is my headline. That's what I've given Facebook to put for. too many contents. Let's say learn social media. Okay, so that is my ad, learn social media. That's the thing they're going to see over here, learn social media. Now, what all photos do I want? Again, I can pick it up from that I've already posted some on my Facebook before. I can pick up Instagram photos because my Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked. Or I can go into my stock images and then collect from stock. What button do I want? Do I want the sign up button? Or do I want something else? Do I want get quote or subscribe, apply now? Whatever kind of button I want people to click in. And smart audience. It's the audience that Facebook is customizing itself. जो लोग मेरे पेज को फॉलो करते हैं वो उन्हीं जैसे ऑडियंस को मेरा ये भेज देगा. But I don't want that. I want कि यार मैं टारगेट करूं अपने ऑडियंस को. So people you choose through targeting and then click on this pen. That is where your detailed marketing comes in, your detailed demographics, your interests, your entire customer of that. This is where it goes. Detailed marketing. You target your audience. कहाँ location चाहिए आपको उसकी, men, female, क्या age होनी चाहिए, what should be the radius of what they're staying in, what are their interests. There should be small business, digital marketing. We just have to be very careful कि ये broad पे ज़्यादा hit ना करें. We want to keep it in the middle. That specific tool is slightly bit broad because जितना broad हमारा audience जाता रहेगा, the less targeting, the less leads we will get out of it. After our entire marketing is done, we can browse more and get more deep into our marketing. Just save the audience. So that's the audience I've saved. Now, how much do I want to spend? At the moment, I'm spending 2,700 in 7 days. How many leads I'm getting? 3 to 13 leads. How many people am I reaching? 6.9K to 20K. Okay. So that is what Facebook is giving me. Now, where all do I want to put my ad on? Do I want to put it on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, all three? Okay, yes, go ahead. And then just promote now. So then my ad will go into the review, and then after 4 to 5 hours of review, Facebook is going to run my ad. And how many leads is Facebook promising me? 3 to 13 leads for 2,700 that I'm putting in 7 days. Okay, right? So this is how Facebook ads work, and this is how our Facebook page works with our Facebook ads. Is Facebook ads and Facebook page pretty much clear with us? Can I please have an FB in the chat box if Facebook is pretty clear to us? Awesome. Can you create FB ad for free? No. You need to put in money. Ad means पैसा लगाना. Organic marketing आप free में कर सकते हो Facebook पे. You cannot put an ad for free. Okay. Now, the traditional marketing, or you can say organic marketing for Facebook, if you don't want to spend money on ads, then you have to join Facebook groups that are related to your niche or related to your targeted audience, right? Money for ad. I'm sorry, I didn't get that question. Money for ad. Post in these groups. You have to put in content in these groups. Content is the king. How much money for ad? You can start from putting 80 rupees ka ad to going up till 10,000 ka ad. It all depends upon you. How much money do you want to spend on ads? It's your personal choice. Go live. That is your audience time. Live. Polls karna, live jana, unse questionnaire round lena. That's you connecting to your audience. And unless you connect to your audience, you're not getting anything back because you wouldn't know if your audience is liking what you're selling or not. So that live time is your audience connection time. Then it is reply to comments. Reply to every comment you get on your post. You don't know which persons, whom you may reply, and they might become your next client. So reply to comments, create contests so that people are interested into what you're selling. right? So create contests and, give them that scarcity that only 20 people, only 30 people. That is when more people are going to understand what you're trying to do with it, right? So that is all about Facebook marketing and how Facebook works. Next, we will move on to Instagram. Instagram is basically a gold mine for businesses and brands. And it generates over 4x of engagement than Facebook. Like I said, I spent 400 on Facebook ads, I spent 400 on Instagram ads. I got more leads on Facebook than more leads on Instagram than I ever got on Facebook. It's because of their, how engaging it is. And why does it have so much of engagement? It's because of the amount of content you can put on it and the creative ways in which you can put content on it. I might like to watch reels. I might like to watch 30-second videos. और उस 30-second वीडियो से शायद मैं किसी की फैन बन जाऊं, मैं शायद किसी कस्टमर बन जाऊं. So it's given me that 30-second video option. I might like to watch YouTube. So it's given me that IGTV option, that watch long videos and then connect to someone. I might like to just, watch a small short 1-minute video and just to the point. So it's given me normal posts, square posts. It's given me all kinds of options. It's given me that variety to choose from. And when you have a variety to choose from, your engagement, of course, triples. Because if I'm a person who likes to just go on to reels, I might go into the reel section. But if I have someone who's also wanting to watch IGTV, so we'll have IGTV people coming in. So more people are going to come onto your account. It has more than 1 billion users. And usually the audience on Facebook, on Instagram, is right from 15 years old, stretching up till 40 years old. So if that is your market area, Instagram is for you. It's visual nature that appeals people. When you look at Instagram, you like it. You enjoy what's coming on your screen. It's funny, it's fun, it has colors into it. It's appealing to the eyes. And 61% of brands are planning to increase their advertising budget for Instagram in 2021. That good of an impact Instagram has on marketing. We have to put our Instagram ads on phone. Thus, I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you to show you how to put an Instagram ad. Perfect. So this is my Instagram account. And Rajvi Talks is the account I'm going to be putting ads on. Okay. So let us say I want to put ads on my internship post. That's a post I want to promote to people. I'll have to click on promote option. Over here, the best thing to do on Instagram is more messages. I want people to message me. They see my post, message karo. I don't want you to visit my profile because then I've lost you. Mujhe kya pata kisne meri profile visit kare. I don't want you to visit my website. That is not where you're going to get the content. My messaging, my DMs is what I want because I want to have a word with you. I want to connect with you so that I can convert you as my client. Then go on to next. Set your audience. Go on to create your own. Give yourself an audience name. This audience name is for your beneficial purpose only. This audience name is not visible outside. This is just to help you कि अगली बार अगर आपने फिर इसी तरह की post लगाई तो आप direct इसी audience को pick up कर रहे हो, right? For example, if you see here, I already have graphic designing, I have demo, I have Instagram, I have SMM. So I have these audiences made. So anytime if I have to put a social media marketing ad, I'll just click on this SMM ad and my targeted audience is already set for me. I don't have to recreate my targeted audience. So let's say I target this one as demo 2. Locations. What are locations do I want to put my ad to? Whole of India. I want the entire country to see my ad. Okay, but it's too broad. So I will now lower it down to the interest part. What people am I putting this ad to? It's an internship post. So of course, students, right? Then I want students that are interested in social media marketing. I want students interested in graphic designing because that's the 3 kind of posts I have open. That's the only 2 kind of posts I have open as of now in my internship sector. Okay, it's not letting us put graphic designing. What else? Graphic design. Okay, it's still broad. So what I do is I cut down the location to, let's say, only Bangalore and Delhi. Can I put in more? Let's say I put Pune. Okay, I'm still green. That means I can still generate more people in. What else can I think of? Let's say I say Chennai. We just have to stay in that green bar because the greener it is, that means our ad is reachable to people. If we switch on to the red, if we just go on to too many people, then half of the time our ad is just going to get below the many ads that are coming in and we will not get leads. What age and what gender do I want my audience to be of? Let's say I want 18 to 40. Okay. Or even lower. Let's say I just put up till 25. Male, female, both. Yes. That's it. Done. Now, what is the budget of my ad? I want to spend 200 rupees daily for 6 days. Okay. Or I want to say, let's say 400 rupees for 2 days. So my estimate reach is 31,000 to 8,200 people. 82,000 people, sorry. I spent 800 rupees and I'm getting that big of a reach. I didn't have to spend 2,700 rupees. My ad limit is set right now because I've set myself an ad limit. But yes, you don't have to set yourself an ad limit. And then you just do it next, go into the payment section, add credit over here from your Paytm account or net banking, anything. Just add funds and then you should be on to creating promotions. When you create promotions, again, it's going to get into review for at least an hour or so, and then you're going to get your ad back. And once your ad is back from the review, it's out there running. People are going to approach you now. How do you know someone's come from an ad? This is how their message will look like. Can you see this? He liked my post. So I said, thank you so much for liking my post. Would you like to learn more about our masterclass? He said, it's okay. It was my mistake. Fine. I don't get a lead. But he could have said, yes, I want to know about you. So what would have happened? Nothing. I would have just got a lead, extra lead. That has actually not been costed by Instagram. Someone that comes up from lead is, so thank you so much for for liking our post. Would you like to learn more about our masterclass? Yes. So that's a possible lead that I get. So then I can ask him, can you share me your WhatsApp number? So I can send in the details to you. There is more like people that are going to approach you from the ad. I'm just trying to see if yeah. So you see that I really want to hide in the number. I don't think I can do that, but yeah, interested. And then I can just ask him for his number. So I can send him the details over. So that is how it comes. So if you know that a person's come from your ad, they'll actually reply under your post. And you see, okay, this much is my ad revenue. And then at the end of the day, think, मैंने अगर इतना spend किया, let's say I've spent around 800 on ads. How many conversions have I got? Have I got at least 12 to 15 to 20 conversions? If yes, my ad is successful. If not, where would have I gone wrong? क्या मेरी targeted audience गलत हो गई थी या क्या मैंने उसे what timings did I put it? All of that. Did I put it in the red area? Should I have thought about my targeted audience? उसे narrow down करना चाहिए था. Think of all of that and then you'll see कि okay, कहाँ मैं गलत गया. Because the ad audience is going to be with you the next time. So you can just measure in कि ये सही था, ये गलत था. For Instagram. Again, if you want to do traditional organic marketing on Instagram, how do you do that? Go live. It is a booster. Instagram booster is going live, putting reels. Use at least 30 hashtags. Hashtags grow your account vulnerably. You don't know this. Try doing this. अगली बार जब post डालो उसमें hashtags डालो. Put some trending hashtags, put some content related hashtag, put some audience related hashtags. See how fastly that post boosts up, you know. You haven't put ad on it, बस वो ज़्यादा लोगों को दिख रही है just because आपने hashtags use कर लिए. Reply to comments. Instagram is about conversations. It's about building relations. Post reels. Reels is a booster. Reels is an account booster. It boosts your account like this. You're out there because people want to see reels. Because ये Instagram का नया चीज release किया गया है. So what Instagram does is, if you're following me and I've posted a reel, अगर आपने like करी, तो वो 10 लोगों को और दिखाएगा. अगर उन 10 में से 2 ने like करी, वो 20 लोगों को और दिखाएगा. That is how it does with reels. That is why reels are super, super important. Because it reaches out to people much better than any post or any IGTV would ever do. Cross promote, shout outs for shout out. Tap into any account related to your niche and say, hey, let's do one thing. I can promote you on my story. Can you also promote me on your story? Story lasts for 24 hours. 24 hours, their audience is going to see you. Your audience is going to see them. What's happening? Cross promotions happening. Network building is happening. Right? So your network building is again and again happening. People are going to know you. People that are not your followers are getting to know you just because of a cross promotion. Use emojis. People connect to you in emojis. If you're feeling sad, if your reel is about depression, put some depressed emojis. People will relate to it more. If it's about joy, put some joyful emojis. People relate to it. Your bio should be amazing. It's the same as description. Short, but to the point and self-explanatory. Keywords. It should be a good bio. When people look at it, people should want to connect to you. Is Instagram pretty good with us? Have you all understood Instagram pretty well? Because that's all about Instagram marketing. Can I please have an Instagram or I in the chat box if Instagram's pretty clear with us? Yes, you can have the recording. We will send you the recording. Don't worry about that. If our page is so, also will it reach to people? I am sorry, I didn't get that question, Priyal. Do you want to re-ask that question? Perfect. If it's Instagram's clear, can I please have an I in the chat box? That is amazing. Super amazing. Well done. Love it. Awesome. Now I just have a few questions that I want to ask each one of you. Do you want to learn how to design your social media content? Do you want to learn how to design those reels and design those IGTV videos and design those posters and banners, etc.? Aapki cover photo banana, aapka profile photo banana. Do you want to learn how to design that? Very good question. If our page is private, so will it reach people? No. Instagram page public hona chahiye. Jab tak aapka public nahi hai, you can't even put ads on it. Because how are you reaching people? Private means you have restrained your audience. कि सिर्फ ये 10 लोग या ये 20 लोग या 4 लोग, whatever your audience strength, सिर्फ जिसको आपने allow किया सिर्फ वो आपकी post देखे, तो कैसे boost up मिलेगा? जब तक you don't let the world see it, जब तक you don't put it on a public platform, how will you get that boost of reels? How will you put your ads? How will you get boost of ads? So it's very important to have a public account if you want to put ads on Instagram, if you want your account to be running good. Public business account if you want to sell something, and public creator account if you're more into creating content. So do you want to learn how to create your social media content? Design your social media content, sorry. That's a question for out you in there. If you want to do that, can I please have a design in the chat box? If you want to learn how to design your social media content. Vidhu Pratap Jain, I didn't understand the why. You want to learn about the design. And lucky you guys, because I have a masterclass on 22nd and 23rd, that is this week and this Saturday, Sunday, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on graphic designing. And what all we will look at, it's a 199 rupees course. It's a certified course. You will get certification. It's going to be on Saturday 22nd and Sunday 23rd, right? For 2 hours each. And after that, you will be certified as well. And what all you will learn? You will learn about the color psychology. You will learn about the typography in context to your customer avatar, in context to your business. You will learn how to use Canva for your business, for creating flyers, for creating reels, for creating stories, for creating banners, for creating your daily Instagram posts and Facebook posts, all of that. And you will also learn how to make videos and how to edit videos. All of this in 2 days for 199 rupees only. Even more surprise, how many trainers and aspiring trainers do I have in the room? जिसको trainer बनना है, digital trainer बनना है, या जो trainer है, who's already doing training. Do I not have any trainer or aspiring trainers in the room? Or is it the bajillion people that missed out on today? Looking at 55 registrations I got, I was pretty shocked when only 23 walked into the room. But yeah, any trainer or aspiring trainers, or anyone who's looking into the training industry. Because I have for you a trainer growth summit for 2 days in which you will be looking at niche development and marketing and sales development. It's going to be a journey from trainer to an entrepreneur. You learn social media management and whatnot. You will learn so much. This summit is of 4,999, but if you are someone who's registering into my Master the Graphic Designing Masterclass, which is on this weekend, and if you are a trainer or an aspiring trainer, you get this summit ticket for absolutely free. The Trainer Growth Summit. It's a 2-day summit on June 5th and June 6th from morning 10 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. where there'll be speakers, amazing speakers coming and talking about various topics, doing hands-on exercises with you so that you understand how to take your journey from a trainer to an entrepreneur. That's the freebie I have for everyone who's joining into my masterclass this weekend. And now the stage is all yours. This is basically where you can all connect with me. It's Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can either message me on Facebook or on Instagram, personal DM me, or WhatsApp, and I will be available for you always. And now the stage is all yours for any questions or any doubts. Any questions, any doubts from the session or anything from near around social media marketing, I'm here to help you answer it. Any questions from anyone? Or do I have no questions, which is super, super amazing already? But any questions from anyone? Koi question regarding if our page is not public, if your page is not public, see, look at it this way. Agar aapka page public nahi hai, how will you reach more people? So it's very important to first make your page public, right? आप कैसे अपने लोगों तक पहुंचोगे? If you want to learn how to create your page public, अगर आपको अपना page public कैसे करना है, if you want to do that, I can share my screen to you and tell you how we can make your page public. It is my pleasure. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so when you are on Instagram like this. You just go on to your settings, you go onto your account, switch account type. It's either switch to personal account, which is going to be a private account, or business account, which is the public account. So that's how you shift from business to public account, from private to public account. And public account is the one where you can put in your ads, where you can put in your promotions and all of that. You need a public account for it. Right? Any further questions from anyone? No questions. That's amazing. Thank you. Any other questions? If you have anything you want me to help you with, you can always DM me personally on WhatsApp. I will take you on a Zoom call and we will work together. So that is absolutely fine. You can do that. But if you have any further questions, okay, I will put my number in the chat box. That is my number out there for you. You can call me anytime, you can WhatsApp me, and I'll be there to help you or at all times. No problem for that. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure. Thank you so much. Would love to connect with you all. Would love it. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. It was a pleasure having you all over. Thank you, sir. I loved spending this week with this 2 hours, 1.5 hours actually, yeah, with you all. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here. It was my pleasure that you all came in and spent time with me. Feel free to get back with me for any further questions or any further doubts. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.